But you know what I have also seen? Internet boom, 1999. Jeff Bezos didn't create products, he became a middleman. Connected sellers to buyers. Today, $182 billion. His parents invested $245,000 in 1995. That is now worth 30 billion today. Billion. Meanwhile, thousands of .com companies trying to build from scratch. Pets.com, Webvan, Boo.com, dead. Check the smartphone revolution in 2007. Early developers who built apps, a few got lucky, but the ones who made billions, Uber, Airbnb, Instagram, they didn't own cars, they didn't own properties, they didn't create all of the content, they were middlemen. You understand? Crypto, 2017, people trying to create the next Bitcoin, failed. But Coinbase, Binance, the exchanges, the middlemen, they made billions.